go. Monday morning blues. No, come on, Frederick. Come on, Horatio. Wolver's leading the part. In you go. I'll get you pellets. Later on. Who these guys? In you go. Your mother's there, your cabbage is there, your feet's down there. Come on, through here. Come on. Wolver. Down there, Wolver. Right down there. Come on, run. Get down there. Don't be fly. Don't be slinky. Right, come on. That's it, folks. There you go. What we've been doing on Monday morning for the team. There's your feed there. I'll get these pellets later on. What I have to do on Monday morning, folks, it's unreal. There you go. Come on, here. There's your water. Here, wait to see this. Here. See this opening? Look. Here. And the bother is, I've just discovered, see in there, they like that, the worm. Look. See that, they'll eat that quicker than they'll eat that and they'll lean that. The wee birds will get that. Anyway, never mind. They're fed in water. I'm off to work now.